Kulikuwa na juice yangu hapo imeenda wapi? Walichukua? Na ukawacha wachukue. From 1989, we're talking about 30 years of research, development, and innovation. Asus has been churning out some pretty interesting laptops. I don't know where they got the idea to have a dual screen, but it has clearly made itself very necessary, especially for those who will get the opportunity to interact with this device. And what are we talking about? We are talking about the ZenBook Pro Duo. Like literally, 2 screens on one laptop. From Techweez, I'm Martin Gethenji with the Asus. Is it Asus or Asus? Na nimechanganyikiwa tena. From Techweez, I'm Martin Gethenji with the Asus Zenbook Pro Duo. Let's take it and go. We're actually very privileged at Techweez to get to interact with this laptop at this point because, yes, it might have launched, but it has not yet gone to market anywhere. So we are the first people in Kenya who are actually getting to interact with it, and I have to say, it is so amazing. You know, the practicality of a dual display has been something that most laptop manufacturers have been trying to achieve for quite a while now, but how they have been able to do it in this way, hey, props Asus, man. Let's look at some of the other features that come with this laptop beyond just the dual 4K touch displays. I need to actually see how the camera, how the webcam is, because I want to see if for a 4K display, okay. Not bad, not bad. Yo, what's up? Is this actually HD or is it 1080? No, which is not bad. In terms of ports, we have a Thunderbolt, that is a USB-C. We have a headphone jack, ventilation, USB 3.1, and we have a HDMI port, another USB, and then the DC in, and some more ventilation. But we don't have a micro or an SD card slot. For a machine this size, that's a 15-inch screen, to be able to handle 2 4K displays. The top one, which is 3840 by 2160, and that's OLED screen, and then the LCD screen, which is 3840 by 1100. It needs a bit more punch in the engine. So it runs on an Intel Core i9 9th gen processor. It has 32 GB of RAM, at least the one that we have right now. And it also has 6 GB of dedicated NVIDIA graphics. It has the RTX 2060. It has 1 TB of SSD, not HDD, SSD. I don't know who's even making laptops with HDD now. So Asus have still continued with the Ego Lift design, where the hinge lifts to give you a bit more airflow underneath the laptop. That's for purposes of reducing heating and also proper sound. And it even helps that the sound is a Harman Kardon sound. These are all power consuming features from this laptop. So how much power on the battery does it have? So fortunately, this one has an option of a 62 watt-hour 8-cell battery or a 71 watt-hour 8-cell battery like this exact one that I have. So the one thing that we do not know yet is the price on this device, which has not yet been officially released. Like we said, it's not yet available in the market, but I'm sure in due time we are going to update this video with the price, probably on the description down below. So make sure to like, share, and subscribe so that you can get more information from Techweez. Right? Until next time. I can't believe I have to go. But we done take it. Now we go. Bye.